next session on operations research. In this session, we will discuss the concept of equal game method. This is the fourth type of numerical in game theory. The equal game method in operations research generally refers to a solution concept within cooperative game theory used to fairly allocate resources, costs, or benefits among players, agents participating in a cooperative game. This method is used to ensure that all participants in a shared project or task have an equitable share based on their contributions or agreed upon fairness criteria. So as the name suggests, we will talk about equal contribution to both the players based on what kind of coalition or cooperative game they are into, where then they have decided to have certain ratio of the game. So it's a fair game that we are going to talk about. Key concepts of the equal game method. The first is fair division. The equal game method aims to distribute payoffs or costs fairly among participants. It's particularly useful in situations where different agents or players contribute to a collective goal, and the allocation should reflect this contribution in a balanced way. So we are talking about a fair division among players. So suppose there are two players A and B, and they have certain strategies, say 1 and 2. So what is the contribution of A and B is what we are going to figure out. This is a central concept in cooperative game theory that the equal game method often uses to ensure stability, and allocation is in the core if no subset of players would prefer to break off from the main group to form their own coalition, as they would not receive a better payoff by doing so. So here what happens is both the players are going to remain in the coalition and they are going to have their share of the game and their strategies or whatever cost or profit they are into, and they will not break off from this game and go into something else because they are getting a better payoff here and not something outside. Balanced contributions. Each player's allocation is typically calculated to match their marginal contribution, the difference they make to the total outcome when they join the coalition. So here there is a balanced contribution by the two players, and we are going to calculate the percentage contribution by both the players in the form of probabilities, and we are going to solve the problem for finding out what is the percentage contribution by the players in the game, and it will definitely be a fair share. Shapley value. This is a related concept. The equal game method often draws on the Shapley value, which allocates payoffs based on each player's average marginal contribution across all possible coalitions. This ensures that everyone is compensated fairly based on their individual contributions, even when all players are equally important. So Shapley value is a concept on which your equal game theory has been based. This method is used in many places, be it in operations research, in game theory, or in project management. It is also used in machine learning because this shows the fairness of the game when the two players, whatever they contribute, and accordingly they are going to get their share of profits or costs. And both the players who are involved in the game are important. There is no preference given to any one player. Applications. Cost allocation used in supply chains, logistics, and network systems to allocate costs for shared infrastructure or resources. So this is one of the places where you can use equal game method. Revenue sharing applied in partnerships or joint ventures to distribute profits fairly among contributors. Allocates time, resources, and rewards in collaborative projects to ensure fair treatment to team members. So wherever you want a fair share and you want to divide whatever amount has been invested or the profits, whatever you have, everything has to be in a proper equal share in a joint venture or in some partnership forms. You are going to look in for equal game theory and not for the other models. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the theory of equal game model. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. In the next session, we will take up numerical on this topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.